Every outbreak begins quietly, but hidden beneath the surface, cases grow with terrifying speed. This is exponential growth. It's the mathematics of spread. From a single equation, we can predict how quickly an outbreak doubles in size. Doubling time is the clock of an epidemic. It tells us not just that cases are rising, but exactly how fast they are doubling. For public health epidemiologists, doubling time is more than numbers. A short doubling time warns. Surge staffing, new test kits, and rapid interventions must begin now. And after interventions, the goal is clear. Slow the clock. Make the doubling time longer. To the public, doubling time is plain language, easy to grasp, urgent. It transforms calculus into a message that saves lives. Doubling time, a simple formula, a powerful warning, and a guide for crisis response.